Established in 2002, Shaanxi Yalan Textile Company is located in the ancient city of Xi'an, Shaanxi Province, China. Yalan focus on manufacturing hotel fabric, hotel bed linen, and hotel bath linen. Because we weave the fabric and produce the finished product by ourselves, the quality have the absolute guarantee. We use the long staple combed cotton as the material so that the fabric feeling even better, especially the useful life is increased. After 20 years development, we have become a professional enterprise in the field. Our products have exported to more than 90 countries. Yalan has a high brand awareness in the United States, South Korea, Russia, Saudi Arabia, and other countries. We have a complete industrial chain integrating scientific research, including spinning, weaving, bleaching, dyeing, sewing, sales, and intelligent leasing of hotel linen in high-star hotels. We own 1 fabric research institute and 3 intelligent industry factories. Yalan has passed the accreditation of Okotex Standard 100, ISO 9001 Quality Management System, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System, OHSAS 18001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System. Shaanxi Yalan Textile Company will keep constant innovation and continuously promote our corporate culture of pursuing excellence and creating perfection. Offering all the hotel guests the sweet dreams with Yalan bedding products is our consistent pursuit to reach.